For a change today, we got something entirely different in the Agatebay workshop in Germany, and it is Larimar. So this is actually a replacement after a petrified limb cast, and here you can see it has this beautiful pattern within this kind of structure, and these pieces are usually famous for this kind of blue turquoise color that just looks like the sea. I just want to place a little cut, maybe a centimeter away or not even a centimeter away from the front part, just because I'm curious on what it looks like once it's like flat cut and polished. Yeah, I think there might be like some radial structures, but I definitely want to stay away a little bit from this yellowish brownish part because I think that's like a matrix inclusion, but I want to stay away a little bit more of that side because the more center of the stone is definitely more towards this part. It is super slippery in combination with the oil, so I was not able to put it in the saw with the longer part because it's also like a little bit more shallow, and so I had to like put it on the ridge of the thinner area. This is more secure for me than putting it the other way around because it was just always slipping out of the clamps.
Das geht jetzt doch schneller.
I just finished cutting this Larimar piece for the first time ever that I cut any Larimar, and in the beginning it was going really slow, so it seems to be a really hard material in terms of the crystal structure, but also very brittle and porous because towards the end I was actually going pretty slow on it, but yet still somehow there was a lot that broke off, so my polisher will have some work to do to get this one to, you know, polished perfection. And here you can also see it has this kind of bubble structure that was kind of implemented from this inclusion from the backside, so I think that will be a really cool feature in the end as well. I think I'm quite happy. My polisher will probably not be. Pieces in this kind of quality, they're super expensive because it really looks just like the ocean water on the outside. But also inside it kind of resembles what an agate looks like with the banding. I can see that there's a fracture running across here, so I will cut next to the fracture. But other than that, I think there's not a lot of things that stop me from cutting a nice piece. I've been super careful with cutting this piece and going really slow in the end. But there was like big chunks that broke out. But still, I think it's a gorgeous piece, and I think it also has like some sort of this parallax effect. And the good thing is now I have two of them. If you enjoyed watching the video, please consider giving the video a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see me cut more agates or stones in general. Thanks for watching.